Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to use getters and setters methods in Angular in order to do a two-way binding between the component and template. So for this what I will do is I will go ahead and open angular.io, and here I can see a link to sample project. When I click, it opens StackBlitz, where it displays a sample project. Okay, in here this is the place for editing the source code, and this is where it actually renders the application. Okay, so this particular application has three components. One is app component, and the other one is top bar component, and the last one is product list component. Okay, so if you see, the app component is the bootstrap component, because if I go ahead and open the app module.ts, it says that app component is the bootstrap component. Okay, and if I go ahead and see the router module for route, it says that any path to this particular application is actually redirecting to product list component. Okay, let me go ahead and open the product list component. This is the product list component. Okay, and the HTML for the same is this one. Okay, so the products. Okay, I can edit it so that it can directly reflect over here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Now what we'll do is we'll take a simple example of interpolation. Okay, so let me open product list component.ts and create a variable called str. Okay, let me go ahead and initialize this to some hello world. Okay, so in order to display this, what I have to do is, in the template I'll go ahead and use the double curly braces. This is the syntax for interpolation. So it is directly displaying the property, the value of the variable which it is fetching from the component. Okay, so what I will do is, first I will go ahead and create one two-way binding for this particular variable. Okay, so for this one I will go ahead and create one input. Type is equal to text. Okay, and for two-way binding we need to use ng model. Okay, ng model is equal to str. So it says that cannot bind ng model since it's not a known member of input. So for this what we have to do is we have to import forms module. Okay, so forms module will import and put it in app module. Okay, because app module internally has component product list component, right? So if you see, app module has product list component also. So what I will do is I will go ahead and add forms module, import forms module from, that's it. Form. And we need to add this into imports. Now if I see, the two-way binding is now, it should work. Okay, so whatever I type it here is also reflecting in the interpolated text over here. So if I go ahead and open the template, so whatever I am typing in the input box, it is also reflecting in this interpolated string value. Okay, so now the problem is, if I change anything here, okay, I want to show an alert message. Okay, for that there is no way using a direct approach. Okay, so for that what we are going to do is getters and setters. Okay, so what I will do is I will go ahead and start using getters and setters. Okay, What I'll do is I'll go ahead and change the name of this string as underscore str, and I'll add one getter. Okay, get str, and it expects a string as output, and inside this one will return this dot underscore str. Okay, so this is our getter. Okay, so similar to this we have setter. Set str, and it takes a value as the parameter, which is of type string, and doesn't return anything, and we have to set the str property there. Okay, this underscore str is equal to the value. Okay, now if I go ahead and change anything, it should work. Okay, now it is working. So what I will do is, in here in the setter, what we can do is we can add the alert message. Okay, alert changed. Okay, now I'll go here and put something, so it says that it's changed. Okay, this is how actually we achieve two-way binding using getters and setters in Angular. This is it for the demo. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.